Ever tried making a cool video and wound up screaming at your webcam or your editing software? If you've stared at those AI-powered tools and wondered if this is finally the future of video creation, you're not alone. Higgsfield promises to turn basic prompts and images into cinematic, dynamic clips. So is it legit or just another AI hype machine? Higgsfield AI is all about control. While tools like Sora go for pure realism, Higgsfield gives creators hands-on camera moves, motion presets, and effects made for directors, marketers, and indie creators. Upload your image, pick a style or prompt, and select from wild features. Crash zooms, FPV drone shots, 360 pans, even real human motion. The Soul model nails photorealism, and you can use their mobile diffuse app for flexible on-the-go creation. Perfect for TikTok, Insta, or speed editing a campaign. On-the-ground reviews paint a mixed picture. Fans love the simple UI, amazing motion control, an ever-growing library of creative presets. Think, I made a pro-looking reel in minutes. For professional VFX artists and marketers, it's a powerful shortcut. But some Trustpilot and Reddit users warn about technical bugs, billing headaches, and inconsistent support, plus the recurring yearly subscription catch at checkout. For longer story-driven projects, Higgsfield still has trouble maintaining character consistency, so you'll sometimes need multiple takes to nail a scene. Check this quick chart to compare Higgsfield AI with top rivals. Higgsfield AI is a leap for creative freedom, but not total perfection. For quick, stylized social video, it's awesome. For deep Hollywood storytelling, the future's getting closer, but not quite here. Smash subscribe if you want more honest AI breakdowns. Your feed deserves the real story.